Hello, I'm Devin Stockfish, Chief Executive Officer of Weyerhaeuser Company. Weyerhaeuser is the largest private owner of timberlands in North America, with 11 million acres of high-quality, highly productive timberlands across the United States. We're also one of North America's largest producers of lumber, OSB, and engineered wood products. All of our business segments have significant scale and industry-leading performance, and we manage them within a tax-efficient REIT structure. At Weyerhaeuser, we focus on three key levers to drive value for our shareholders: an unmatched portfolio of assets, industry-leading performance, and disciplined capital allocation. And as we've done for over 100 years, it's all built on a strong ESG foundation. Our environmental stewardship starts with our commitment to sustainable forestry practices, which goes back to the early days of our company. We have a strong commitment to social responsibility and governance, including a focus on safety, diversity, and inclusion. These strong ESG practices help us ensure we're managing our company the right way for the long term. At the foundation of our company is our timberlands business. Weyerhaeuser has an unrivaled portfolio of timberland assets with substantial and enduring value. This includes 3 million acres of premium assets in the Pacific Northwest. These are high-quality Douglas fir forests with access to strong domestic and export markets. It includes nearly 7 million acres of high-quality southern yellow pine plantations with access to all of the key markets in the U.S. South, and also 1 million acres in the U.S. North with a broad mix of species including high-value hardwood sawlogs. Our portfolio management philosophy is focused on growing our timber base and continually optimizing and upgrading our holdings, with a view toward owning the most valuable acres that will generate the highest returns for our shareholders over time. Now, managing a large, diversified portfolio presents a number of opportunities beyond core timber to drive incremental value back to the acre. Our real estate and energy and natural resources business is focused on maximizing the value of every acre we own. This includes the work we've historically done around capturing higher and better use premiums and unlocking value through our energy and natural resources business. In addition, we're excited about the emerging opportunities in the natural climate solutions and carbon space. Our wood products business is an industry-leading, low-cost producer of lumber, oriented strand board, and engineered wood products. We have 35 mills across the U.S. and Canada that are well aligned with our timber base, and we have 18 distribution facilities as well. Our mix of assets and geographic coverage allow us to serve a broad mix of customers across North America. We've made significant improvements in our wood products businesses that have reduced costs and improved profitability to maximize our margins throughout the business cycle. A core part of our overall strategy as a company has been our intense focus on improving operating performance across the entirety of Weyerhaeuser. At the heart of this effort has been our operational excellence journey. Since 2014, we've captured nearly $750 million of margin improvements across our businesses. But we're not stopping there. OpEx is deeply ingrained in our DNA, and we remain focused on opportunities for cost and margin improvement, future value creation, cost avoidance, and efficiencies. The third pillar of our investment thesis is disciplined capital allocation. At Weyerhaeuser, our balanced capital allocation philosophy has three key priorities: returning cash to shareholders, investing in our businesses, and maintaining an appropriate capital structure. At the end of 2020, we instituted a new dividend framework, which enhances our ability to return meaningful and appropriate amounts of cash to our shareholders across business cycles. This framework includes two components: a sustainable quarterly base cash dividend and a variable supplemental dividend, and targets a total annual payout of 75 to 80% of adjusted funds available for distribution. We're also investing back into our businesses through disciplined capital expenditures. These are organic investments to sustain and enhance our wood products and timberlands operations. And the final part of our balanced capital allocation approach is maintaining an appropriate capital structure. We have a strong balance sheet and a solid investment-grade credit profile. Finally, market fundamentals for our businesses are very strong. We're experiencing the best housing backdrop in over a decade, bolstered by strong demand, a massively underbuilt U.S. housing segment, favorable demographic trends, and historically low mortgage rates. As U.S. housing activity strengthens, so does the demand for our products, and Weyerhaeuser should be a significant beneficiary of favorable market conditions across our businesses for some time to come. In closing, it's an exciting time at Weyerhaeuser. We offer a compelling investment thesis that combines an unmatched portfolio of assets, industry-leading operating performance, a strong ESG foundation, and a demonstrated commitment to disciplined capital allocation. It's a winning formula that uniquely positions us to drive superior value for shareholders now and into the future.